Here's a from season 4 theory that will blow your mind. Now this theory comes from Reddit and it's called the blood theory. It all starts out in season 2 with Martin. Whenever Boyd goes and helps him or whatever, and Martin's blood goes into Boyd's blood, Martin says, "My blood is your blood now," and then Martin dies. So the only way Martin could die was by transferring that parasite that Boyd eventually got. And the theory is, since Martin was down there with that parasite the entire time and never died, it makes you immortal. And Boyd has the damn parasite. And you might be saying, well, Boyd passed off the parasites to Smiley because he said, "My blood is your blood now, mother trucker," but I don't think that is the case because Smiley is already dead. Boyd is a living being and has the parasite, so I don't think that was an actual blood transfusion, I guess, or whatever. I think Boyd still has the parasites. And then if you remember, whenever Ellis was stabbed, Boyd transferred his blood to Ellis, but he didn't say, "My blood is your blood now." He just transferred blood and they're both O negative. So maybe Ellis is now also immortal alongside Boyd. I'm getting to the point here, one second. Basically, the entire theory is that when the characters in the show that are still alive start to notice how Boyd is not dying, how Ellis is not dying, they're gonna realize that the parasite that Boyd has is a parasite that makes you immortal. So the doctors who are on the island or whatever, it's not an island, but in Fromville, are going to try and take that parasite and make a vaccine to make everybody in the town immortal, which could be a massive mistake, or it could be their key to trying out so many different possibilities of how to get off the island, risking their lives until they find the pathway out of the town. So it could be like this vaccine to have unlimited chances to take massive risk and not die ever by just taking the parasite that Boyd has that he got from Martin that makes him immortal. I honestly don't know how I feel about this theory, but it does make a lot of sense when you start talking about how they could use the vaccine to their advantage by making themselves immortal and then trying different stuff that will most likely kill them but could be the way out of there, like jumping off the tower or something. And if they die, then they just spawn back because they're immortal with Boyd's parasite. Let me know what you guys think about this theory and if you think it makes any sense at all. And if you guys want more from content, then be sure to like and follow for more.